Welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable vibration and calendar alerts on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and click the Sounds and Haptics. Then, go to Sounds and Haptics Pattern section, then click the Calendar Alerts. Then after that, in the Calendar Alerts, click the Vibration. In the Calendar Alerts vibration, if you want your vibration was to disable, just scroll down and click the None until there's a check mark on the side. And your vibration is now disabled. And if you want to enable your vibration pattern, just click the synchronize or the default pattern by putting also a check mark on the side. And your vibration pattern is enabled. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled vibration and calendar alerts on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!